pinning. It's like I was, I think. I don't think.
Keep my head bowed low, my grip loose, my heart pure before you.
Sanbanani Lochani, this is Lindo Mhlanga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you guys for tuning in. Thank you for choosing this vlog and thank you for coming back. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, honey. So today I'm just doing a haul and introducing the vlog, but thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. So I'm here to do just a mini haul. Yeah, I'm here to just do a mini haul. Well, as it was, it's, well, I was topping up so let me show you guys. I got this panty liners, Ultrax panty liners. Then I got pads. I wanted this brand actually. But being a so I opted for these ones, and I love this brand because my pads were corner are thin. I don't like my pads are thick. Just like the always ones, the long ones, I don't use them. So I opted for these ones because I will got thick now, and I got 2 of them. I also got wipes, unscented wipes. Then I got my toothbrush. This is something I don't want to run out of, so I always stack them. I make sure I don't end up using its toothbrush. It comes sealed, so like this. So yeah, that was my haul, a mini haul actually. I was topping up, but thank you guys for tuning in. Don't forget again to like, comment and subscribe. Hi guys, welcome to another day of the vlog. Today is Saturday and it's a women's conference. Yeah, it's a women's conference. 11 well ngizobhala laphansi, but 11 October, and sengiqedile actually, sengiready, and sengiyajwayela lento ye-makeup. I know today amashiya awasama-twins, but at least ba-ama-cousin bandla, and anginawo-ke ama-eyelash today anginawo ama-eyelash today, but I want to show you my outfit of the day. Angazobe nizokhona ukungibona kahle, ake ngimpine down, but this is my outfit. It's a long dress. Yeah, it's a long dress, and these are the shoes I'm going to wear. These ones, because they're comfortable. Bengifuna ukugqoka lezi ezigold, lezi bengizigqoke last week. Yeah, I did show you guys. Bengifuna ukugqoka lezi bengizigqoke last week ezigold, and bezizongena kahle, but plus ama-earrings and black, so bezizongena kahle vele, bezizomesha kahle, but azikho that comfortable. I think kumele ngithole lezi zinto zala, I don't know ukuthi zibizwa ngani, but lezo namathisela lapho ukuthi inyawo lakho lingashibereki nje, noma lingajuluka lingashileli. So I think I need to get those things first. Angazi ukuthi zibizwa ngani, otherwise ngizozigqokela lezi, and they're comfortable. I can walk with these the whole day. Yeah, they're comfortable. So yeah, I just wanted to show you guys my outfit of the day, and this is it. So I'll see you guys. Kumele ngiyeke nje ukuthi ngisho ukuthi ngizonibona nini, because kusuke kungahambi kahle, but ngizonibona guys manginibona. But for now, okay, sengikhohle ukunikhombisa my scent of the day. So this is the perfume. I hope nayibona. Yeah, this is the perfume. Ngizoyilayer with this one. Actually, I'm laughing because ngaqala ngayibona kuqala. Then I told mom ukuthi angithengele yona, kanti hayi bengithi i-scandal guys, kanti hayi angazi hore niyayibona na. Hayi isiganwali bafethu, isiganwali. But ngizawuthi ngiseyikhona and ngiyayithanda actually and yinhle futhi. So ngizoyileya with this one. I think le inoka kamnandi ukudlula this one. But yeah, these are my scents of the day.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I get smoked already so hard in my blunt is. I see past pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I'll put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. I'm a dog, I'm a mutt. No crib, told her come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pin size, cause the niggas try breaking it. No condos.
Hi guys, so it's the same day, but I just got home. I think I got in 15 minutes in wheel, but I wanted to update you guys here. Makeup. I think cool vlog a vlog before the last one here. Njoba bengise Soweto. I think ke kwashintsha nama foundation. And le ntombi besigcobisa ama fit me so me so kushintsha ama foundation and notice ukuthi it doesn't blend with my skin. It doesn't blend like it makes me super dark, and ngibona manje ngangama well ngibonile nasekuseni, but I thought ngidonyana nje, but now it makes me dark. I think I'm impending. It's like I don't think yeah, I am sayisebenzisa, but I do have a foundation that I was using before me because magic. So then my skin became dark. Ngaqala ukusebenzisa le Fit Me, ngayekela leya because beyingenza like being lighter than my skin ngaleso sikhathi. But now I think sezoba right because lena it's too dark. It's too dark. I think nizobona nani. I'll show you guys mangiceda ukuwipe makeup yami off ukuthi ngenjani. I'm not sure ukuthi iyabonakala kahle now. But yeah, I think iyabonakala. So I'll show you guys mangiceda ukususa makeup ukuthi senjani skin sami.
The next day.
Sanbonani, good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Today is Wednesday and ngiyomikisa CV, so sekuyileso sikhathi job hunting. I'm praying and hoping for the best. Ukuthi konke nje kuhambe kahle. Let me not waste time nginikhombise i-outfit yami. It's nothing like ngivele ngakhipha nje angazi nje nami ukuthi injani, but sengizozwa ngani sengizozwa ngabantu engibabona estradini. So this is the bodysuits from Mr. Price. Pants from, these pants were my mom's, yeah. They go all my mommy then. Samba. Seeing over guys, kunama box la actually kugcwele nje like American because go busy like khona ne sofa so and camera lami incane. So kugcwele nje ningamangali. Okay, singing isondele futhi. Yeah. That is my outfit, but I think like I was thinking ngizohamba nani. Yeah, but angeke nginikhombise exactly la ngiyomikisa khona iCV, but yeah, endleleni nje guys ngizohamba nani. I know ukuthi yangasala tripod, but I'm so sorry for that. So guys angeke ngisachaza kaningi, but ngizonikhombisa nje iclip kancane nibone ukuthi kunjani. It's a mess nje. Mangibuya ngisabhekene nomsebenzi. Ngisakhathele kumanje ngingakaqali nokusebenza, but like ngicabanga angiyeke lento eziningi. So guys, yeah, sizokhuluma guys, but bye for now.
The next day.
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Takes my mind, my body. My body says my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just you is so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are well. I'm here to give you guys feedback. I remember I was going to drop off a CV and yeah, at him. Well, I didn't wanna let you guys know, but since let me just let you know ukuthi. So when I got there, they told me ukuthi since I finished my subject Ekurhuleni Computer College, because N4 and 5 no N6 2 subjects ngwayenze TVET College, Ekurhuleni TVET College eBrakpan campus. Then lawa i2 engawafeyila ngawaqedelela Ekurhuleni Computer College. So mangifika Guatemala campus, because he head office, I think they told me ukuthi since ngiqedelele computer college they can't help me, they won't help me, so angisekho ezandleni zabo. So they didn't take my CV. They said konke sekulele kimi, internship mele ngizibhekele, they won't place me. So bengekho right nje mangibuya khona, so that's why I didn't vlog. Actually it's how many days, angazi guys would say how many days, but me last week, yeah, it was last week Wednesday or Thursday, yeah, so today is Thursday, it's the following week Thursday, so ngesikhathi nje eside ngavlogi, but ngimqhubile man October, even October, and at least this is episode 4, and thank you guys for the support. Futhi good, the previous vlog, the vlog before this one, you guys inengisupportile ngifuna ukungasho, and thank you so much. Angazi bandla ngithini, but thank you so much, I really appreciate it. Cela niqhubeke bandla nikwenze kimi kuphela. But thank you guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Noma ngiyenzanga okuningi because vele I didn't do much. Bekubusy la ekhaya, so iyo nje into ebengiyenza leyo cleaner. So last week nje into ebengikhathele yona. Yo bengikhathele kakhulu. But thank you guys for your continuous support. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.